everyone, I'm Alice. I'm a Chinese girl. I live in England. Today I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese about animals. And it's going to be 5 words. Dinosaur. 恐龙,恐龙. I have a dinosaur doll. 我有一个恐龙玩偶。Crocodile. 鳄鱼,鳄鱼. The little crocodile is bathing. 小鳄鱼正在洗澡。Tortoise. 乌龟，乌龟。A tortoise has a shell on its back. 乌龟背上有硬壳。Lizard. 蜥蜴，蜥蜴。This is a lizard. 这是一只蜥蜴。Frog. 青蛙，青蛙。The frog might jump away. 青蛙可能会跳走。That's all for today. Hope you like it. Bye bye.